issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 9:45 a.m. At 9:05 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Evansville and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near downtown Janesville around 9:25 a.m., Moulton around 9:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Indian Ford, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunderstorm moving into Jefferson.